Thank you. Pwede i-close na yung food.
Okay, okay.
Thank you. Thank you pa. Enjoy!
Basta chongs to go, lamay kaayo.
Sorry, kalmi up. Soy sauce. Wow! Nataon ako. No, kalami. Gawas ang sabaw. Oh, very nice.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I wish I didn't have to seafood.
Thank you. Smile. Thank you po. Isa pa. 1, 2. One more. Pwede mo mag-wait. Thank you. Thank you.
I just can't get you out of my head. Boy, your loving is all I think about. I just can't get you out of my head. Boy, it's more than I dare to think about.
Hey now, don't dream it's over. Hey now, but when the world comes in, they come to build a wall between us. No, they won't win. Takes me away where I've always heard me. Just a dream in the wind to carry me. Soon I will be free. Don't need money, don't need fame, don't need no credit card to ride in this train. Strong in a sudden, and it's cool sometimes, but it may just save your life. That's the power of love.
Hello mga kachongs! Ali lang mo diri kay ilang chicken, it's really the best. And lami jud kaayo ilang lechon, the fried lechon, lami kaayo. So come visit the shop or the restaurant.
Thank you,
Grab a
ma'am.
food. Hi mga kachongs! Come visit their restaurant kay lami kaayo ilahang fried chicken. And also one of my favorite is ilahang fried lechon. So come visit their restaurant kay lami kaayo. Guarantee.
Sa sikreto, manong lamig ka ayo, yung lechon.
Alam mo ba, ma'am? Salamat, ma'am.
Lamig yung magbalik-balik.
Salamat kay ma'am.
Kanin pa oh.
Fried chicken, ma'am. Oh, thank you.
Makaluya siya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, sir. Good evening. What can you say about the sinigang, sir?
Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Smile.
I'll stay with you.
Thank you po. Okay ba?
Ang kain ko yung fried chicken dito sa chong. Good to go. Ayan. Kain niyo po, manyaman. Sobrang manyaman. Hindi ka kambangan.
Sa fried chicken, worth it ang price. Lami kayo. Dili mo magmahay.
Salamat.
Visit na mo
Hi guys, trying to go Namikoyo. We can cook ginamos and also lechon manok. Bye guys.
Lamig tayo. Tita, iyahan.
Lechong lami kayo.
Ciao!